So here is another banger, guys, from Yardie TV. Turning our hands to make fashion. This is a spin on the Indian dish called biryani. But guess what? This is
Yes, curry goat rice. Got the curry goat in there with the butter, with the chickpeas. I'm gonna add some quinoa. I'm gonna add some rice. Everything I cook in a one pot. And it have a nice. Everything in a one pot.
One pot of rice and it go.
Nice. All right.
That is it.
And you cover it now and make it
Simmer.
And you get curry goat rice. Remember, Yardie TV. We're looking now, baby.
Shelly and fragrant.
And curry goat stand up.
Bone and all. Good.
Wow. Where Shelly rice I go?
No plain rice I go. The boring rice I go. Look better without the should have brush.
And so we just finish up this thing here now with some cilantro, like so, yeah, and some green onions, and then we just mix in that. Damn, wow, this is so nice, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Go ahead, girl. This is curry goat rice.
Whoa! Rice.
Yeah.
It
Curry
oh my
biryani. Curry goat rice. Okay.
Whoa.
Look at that. 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 With peas and beans and carrots and
That
everything.
look yummy.
You know, you want to see it, but you can't. Promise you.
Wow.
And there you have it, guys. Our take on the Indian biryani dish. We just call it curry goat rice because it is likened to our regular seasoned rice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe because Yardie TV doing some crazy things over here. We serve this up with some chicken and a little couple of slices of pork and some corn and some vegetable. And me I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Sunday never tastes so good yet before. Yardie TV says so. Big up on yourself, the man. Remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie TV.